Hey there! Today I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram carousel on Canva. So first you have to search Canva, log into your Canva account using the website, after which you are going to go to create. You can also download the app if you prefer working with the app, but I like working with the website, so it's all good for me. Once you're there, you go ahead and search Instagram carousel, and it'll lead you to a blank canvas. So, for example, like this Instagram carousel. Once you're in the blank canvas, you search again Instagram carousel. Then it usually has 5 pictures in it. So I would like to use this one. Which one works better? Okay, let's use this one. So you can apply 4 pages. So you can just create like this. And once you're in here, you have to edit the photo, right? So what you can do, if you want to change the photo, you can go ahead and click uploads. I'm gonna use, you can upload files from your computer if you have, but if you don't have one, you can also use the elements. I like to search on a woman and then use photos. There are so many elements that you can choose from, but of course you can use your own pictures. If you're creating a Instagram carousel, that's totally fine. Okay, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, now that the picture is there, I'm going to create or edit this one. Like, for example, the name is Anne Hathaway. Okay, and if you're all good with this one, you can go ahead and go to the next one. Let's say I'm going to use this one as a photo. Okay. You can also adjust the photo like this so that it fits the carousel. Okay. Of course, you don't want to have crisp, clean bed sheets with that photo. So let's say, for example, traveling alone. Bonus points if your friends come with you. You can put any caption that you like, whichever works with your aesthetic. Then tea in a cup. I think that one is good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and look for tea. Say I'm gonna use this one. This one looks so aesthetic. Okay. And then candle. Now I like that picture, so I don't want to edit that one out. And then once you're in here, you can go ahead and click on here the apps. So click apps. And then once you're on apps, you can use here. There's a lot of things that you can do. You can use upscale image or bulk create. And then you can also, what you can do is you can bulk create, or you can go ahead and click share. Once you download it, use PNG so that each photo will be downloaded not as a PDF file, because you want to upload it on Instagram, right? So you want each photo to be uploaded, and you can do that by clicking the PNG post and then download pages 1 to 4. So that's how easy it is to create an Instagram carousel, and it doesn't take you a very long time. So very efficient as well. If you want to learn more about these tips, just let me know and I'll create more videos for you. Bye for now.